Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you are doing well. Welcome to 𝐒𝐈𝐒𝐲.com. So today in this video, I will guide the step-by-step process that how you will apply to GIST scholarship in Korea in the year 2025 through the complete step-by-step process. Okay, like application process. So this is a prestigious scholarship opportunity for international students to pursue your higher education from Korea for free. So before starting application process, we have to know about the summary. Like host country is South Korea and university. Okay, so this is the name of university, and this is I think the Institute of Technology and study abroad. So study in Asia and programs abroad. This is only open for postgraduate students. Okay, and scholarship type. This is fully bonus scholarship opportunity. Eligible countries. All countries eligible to apply. Students from all over the world can apply to this scholarship opportunity. And scholarship value is full tuition, monthly stipend, travel support. All will be free and application deadline is 14 April 2025. So, here is the required document section. The first one is complete application form on their portal. I will guide you about this. Okay. And second one is bachelor degree certificate and transcript to apply for master degree. And two recommendation letters are required for universities and valid passport for traveling and English proficiency test for TOEFL or IELTS is required. Okay. Yeah, and according to the eligibility criteria, so it's very easy. First one is open to both domestic and international students. Okay, even domestic students can also apply. With students who are recently living in Korea, South Korea, they can also apply to this much. And the second one is must hold or expect to hold a bachelor degree. Okay, and the last one is must meet English or Korean language requirement set by GIST Institute of Science and Technology. So for applying directly, you have to click here submit application button. After that, you will see that this type of page. Here, just a simple page, and here they will mention the benefits, okay, and as well as the requirements if you want to read it, so you can. Otherwise, I will go for application process. For that, you have to click here. If you are a first-time user, so put your email address in this area and as well as password, and then click on login button. But if you have already created an account, then okay. So first time user have to click on apply now button. But if you have already created an account, then again by your email address and your password. But here I am a first time user. I have to click on apply and sign up button. Yeah. So here in this section, put your surname as given your passport and given name. Okay. Middle name is applicable. Your correct date of birth, marital status. Okay. And then telephone number, nationality, and zip code of your area and corresponding address. Okay. And at this area, just put original. Okay. If you are from you are a business student, and here, yeah. And the next one is choose a program. It may be MS or PhD. Okay. And department to which you wish to apply. So just select your department. It may be a department of the artificial intelligence convenience or something in because this is an Institute of Technology, so it's related to technological field. And email address, password, yeah, and then take this box, and this one option, put about this question, and then click on save. Okay, so after creating an account and log into the application process, you will see that this chapter page here. The application, this is only a single form here. In this form, the personal section is about personal information, as you can see here in this area. So put about your personal information, and here you have to upload your photo, okay, like passport size photo, and then you people know better about yourself. Just put what they need exactly in the information section, okay. And the next one is application information. So here in this area, put your application information, language proficiency Korean. So this is for Korean, okay. And then if you are good in Korean, if no, for domestic students, and even international students can also select this if they can speak a Korean language, okay. Yeah. So the next one is English the language of instruction at your home institution? Yeah, definitely. And then is English your native language? So if English is your native language, just select yes. If not, so just select no. Okay. And just give the answer of the following question, what they did in the section. So this is just application process. And the next one is disorders. Please type information if there is a disability that may affect when learning. If you have any disability, So just select that. If not, just leave it. Okay. And this one, communication. If you have any issues in communication and you are unable to communicate with students who are teachers, so just show your disability. And then a recommendation. So here, they put two the first one, it should be you have to take these conditional letters from your department professor, and then like first one professor name here in this area, and then name of institution from your university degree, and then his email address, yeah, and nationality, department, and position, and contact number. Okay, and then the second one, yeah. So the next one section is about education in this area. So just select that, like just click on new, and then add about your bachelor degree. Okay, like when you started your bachelor degree, when you completed your bachelor degree. So just like this type of enterprise. So the next one section is about the degree verification information. So here you have to put about your degree verification information, okay, like from your completed university degree, and complete name including any formal names, yeah, put your name and student ID number, and then date of conferment, okay, and at which date you completed your university degree, so just like that, okay, and university registers information that may be present on your degree. If not, so just ask from your professor. They will regard you there. And this is a family member. Yeah, so put about there. Just click on new, add new, and then put about your family member, like your father, elder brother, or mother, etc. And then career in this area. Okay, if you don't know, so just you can click on help button, and the people will give you a template, like in career option, what you have to put exactly. It may be like the institution or company. It's just like an employment history. Okay, like if you was employed in your life, and if you are recently employing with someone like company, it may be online or physical. If you are a teacher, so just put it on that with certificate. And next one is certified English proficiency. So like which test you taken. So just click on a new, and then add about your test, like IELTS, International English Language Test System, or TOEFL, okay, or Korea, because that's required for Korea. And knowledge of major field, like here in this, you have to write something about your field. For example, I selected the Department of Chemistry and Institute of Technology. So that's why I will have to write something about that field, like chemistry, why I'm interested to get admission in chemistry, and completed my further education in this field from this university or institute. So this one is reason for study in Korea. Why you wanted to study in Korea from this university under the government scholarship. So just explain the reason in this area. Okay, there is no word amount or range, something else. So it's depend upon you. If you want to write 100 words or 150 words, 200 words, so that will be better rather than 500 or 800 words. So the next one is key achievements. What about your achievement in this area? Okay, like which rewards you got from your teachers in your life, like certificates or reward, something else. So just mention all the things, stuffs in this area. And this one is goal of study and study plan. So this is a very important step. Okay, in this area, what's your goal and why you are interested to study chemistry from this university or school in Korea, in South Korea. So just explain your goal. Okay, and this will be also your study. This will be considered as well as your study plan, like is people write a study plan for Chinese government scholarship, same like Korean. Okay, and the next one is action plan after study. So you have to write something about this, and then a self introduction, introduce yourself in this area briefly, and at the last, upload all required documents. Like BS degree, you have to click here and upload your BS degree, and BS transcripts upload, okay, and MS degree, if you selected a PhD, so you have to upload your MS degree, but I selected a MS degree, okay, Master of Philosophy, So it doesn't allow me to upload a master degree because I wanted to apply for it. So the next one is official English test score report, like IELTS certificate or TOEFL, as they mentioned here. IELTS 6.5 is required, and TOEFL 550 is required. PhD computer base. And the next one is a copy of passport. You have to upload it as well. And if you don't have an IELTS test, so you can also upload English, like a certificate of English proficiency in this one area. And the next one is recommendation letter. Two recommendation letter are required. You have to upload it one by one. And then additional reference letter or something else, awards, certificates, etc., which help you to get this service opportunity and will boost your application so you can. Okay. And at the last, you have to click on I agree button. And after that, you will see like a submit button, and then click on submit. So the application will be directly submitted to this university or institute. So this was just a short video about that how you can apply to GIST, Institute of Science and Technology scholarship in Korea as a student in the year 2025. So for that we have also a YouTube channel.